Breaking input that is coming in. We are learning that the government is walking the talk. The Prime Minister made the intent of the government clear. Now we have reforms kicking in. 47 NTA officials, 47, that's the number, 47, have been shunted. Kritika is now joining us with more details of this overhaul, reform, whatever you want to call it. Yes, Kritika, take it away.
Well, Pranesh, this is the latest that we're understanding from the Education Ministry. Now, remember, there are about 39 permanent posts that have been sanctioned in the NTA, and the National Testing Agency has time and again found itself in the middle of all the fire as well as the criticism that pertains to whether it is leaks in exam or technical glitches that we have seen happen in the CUET exam, and even issues accessing the answer scripts also many a times. And this is now becoming a pattern which is irrespective of examinations. Of course, with the NEET undergraduate paper, we saw the exam get cancelled. With CUET, there were delays. And even with the NET paper, there were issues that were reported across centres in the country. So it's a big move. The Education Ministry is now shunting away 47 employees. Now, that would mean currently there are only 24 permanent positions, about over 70 contractual positions, and 124 outsourced employees as well. So this entire system will be overhauled. Legal action is also expected against officials guilty of negligence over the years as well. So this is the latest that we are bringing to you as far as reconstitution of the National Testing Agency is also concerned. Another important factor here is that there will be a time-based restructuring of this agency. 1 month is the timeline that we are currently understanding from sources within the ministry, and more details about the form of resignations, the levels at which it is taking place, will also be released by the ministry shortly. The idea here is for confidence building as far as students and different stakeholders
confidence
are also concerned.
Building, and this is also a message, Kritika, to the system, that if you cross the red line, you will meet this fate. 47 is a big number. This is only the beginning. Legal, criminal action will follow. Kritika, thank you for sharing those details with us.